Thank you so much for joining us for All Angles. I'm Dion Jacksmiller. Now, since yesterday, thousands of irate public sector workers have been upset. They say their salaries have not been paid on time. Earlier this afternoon, Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark told me on Radio Jamaica's Beyond the Headlines that there was only one entity still awaiting clearance from the public sector transformation team so that the Attorney General could go ahead and pay salaries. But even some of those who have been paid are still upset. They've been messaging us, they've been calling, expressing a number of different concerns. We're going to be getting an update on where we are in the process in today's edition. Remember, you can WhatsApp us. It's 876-381-0072. Give us your first name and your general location. You can tweet us as well. Our hashtag is TVJ All Angles. The Finance Minister will be joining me in studio a little later in the program. But first, we have Patsy Edwards-Henry, who is the president of the Nurses Association of Jamaica. Helene Davis-White is president of the Jamaica Confederation of Trade Unions. She's also general secretary of JALGO, the Jamaica Association of Local Government Officers, and Dr. Mindy Fitzhenley, president of the Jamaica Medical Doctors Association, because in fact, the entity that we had heard was still outstanding was the Southern Regional Health Authority, which means a lot of the public sector, public health workers, I should say. Thank you all so much. We really appreciate you joining us.
Thanks for having us.
Thanks.
It's great to have you all. Helene Davis-White, let me start out with you in terms of where we are from your perspective.
Well, we have been making the checks across the island, and for the most part, workers have been paid. As you pointed out, the information we got was that the Southern Regional Health Authority was still outstanding. There are a couple of ministries. The Ministry of Local Government is one that is still outstanding in terms of making payments. I'm not sure if payments were made after we checked. It should have been this afternoon at about 3 o'clock. And in fact, when we were checking, entities were just coming in and we're getting calls that places like Southeastern had actually paid, and Western Regional Health Authority as well. In terms of our parish councils or municipal corporations, several of them have now paid. We still have, I think, about 3 or 4 that are still outstanding in terms of making payments. In terms of the ministries, we were not able to get information as to whether the Ministry of Education has since paid, and also whether or not the correctional services have paid well.